Namaste everyone. Once again, I'm grateful for all your contributions and asking for some very nice numbers. It's making me active. Some of them literally I have forgotten. I'm again practicing and some of the songs I'm writing. I'm trying my best. For some numbers, there are at least 10 or 15 people who are asking for the same song. So at that situation, I may not be reading all the names. It's because the time is very important. The first request, which whoever has given to me, I may read their name. Others don't feel bad. Anyway, your song is being sung. And in the same way, let us respect the conditions by the health departments, by the government, central government, and the local governments. Stay home, stay safe, and keep the human distance, social distance, which are all very important. Let us all oblige these things and see that the corona is eradicated. Thank you. The first song is a Kannada song from the film Pavana Ganga. Music director is Rajan Nagendra ji, and the lyric is by Chi Uday Shankar, and the request came from Sri Ravi Venkatesh. ಧನ್ಯವಾದರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೆ and thanks for your contribution. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. ಆ ನೋಟದಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿತವೇನು, ಮರೆಯದಾಗ ನೋವೇನು. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. ಕಂಡಂದೆ ಕುಣಿಯಿತು ಮನವು, ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅರಳಿತು ತನುವು. ಕಂಡಂದೆ ಕುಣಿಯಿತು ಮನವು, ಹೂವಾಗಿ ಅರಳಿತು ತನುವು. ಹೃದಯದ ಹೃದಯದ ವೀಣೆಯನು ಹಿತವಾಗಿ ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತಲೀ. ಆನಂದ ತುಂಬಲು ನೀನು ನಾನಲಿವೆನು. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. ಅನುರಾಗ ಮೂಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೂರಾರು ಬಯಕೆಯ ಮಾಲೆ. ಅನುರಾಗ ಮೂಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೂರಾರು ಬಯಕೆಯ ಮಾಲೆ. ಹೃದಯವು ಧರಿಸಿದೆ, ಈ ಜೀವ ಸೋಲುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸಂಗಾತಿಯಾದರೆ ನೀನು, ನಾ ಉಳಿವೆನು. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. ಆ ನೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವೇನು, ಮರೆಯದಾಗ ನೋವೇನು. ಆಕಾಶ ದೀಪವು ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು. Next song is a Telugu song from the film Annamaya. The composition is by Sri Keeravani, Annamacharya's Kriti. The request came from Aparna Shankar. Amma, thank you very much, and thanks for your contribution also. ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ ಅಲಸಿತಿ ಸೊಲಸಿತಿ, ಇಂತಟ ನೀ ಶರಣಿದೆ ಸೋಚಿತಿನಿ. ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ. Sorry, I made a mistake. I'll sing again. I should do it properly. అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి ఇంతట నీ శరణిదే చొచ్చితిని అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి కోరిన కోర్కులు. I better go to the next antara, isn't it? మదిలో చింతలు మైలలు మణుగులు వదలవు నీవవి వదనకా. I thought one mistake, it's okay, but too many mistakes. I should redo it again for your sake. Please forgive me. అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి ఇంతట నీ శరణిదే. అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి ఇంతట నీ శరణిదే చొచ్చితిని అంతర్యామి అలసితి. Annamaya has become very old. That's why his voice is also breaking. But I have to try to give the best I can do it now. అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి ఇంతట నీ శరణిదే చొచ్చితిని అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి. మదిలో చింతలు మైలలు మణుగులు వదలవు నీవవి వదనకా. మదిలో చింతలు మైలలు మణుగులు వదలవు నీవవి వదనకా. ఎదుటనే శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరా వెంకటేశ శ్రీనివాస ప్రభో ఎదుటనే శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర నీవదే అదనగా చితివి అట్టిటనక. అంతర్యామి అలసితి సొలసితి ఇంతట నీ శరణిదే చొచ్చితిని అంతర్యామి 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 అలసితి. నమో నారాయణాయ. Next request came from two persons, Vimala Ramaswamiji and Venkatesh Shankaran. This Tamil song is from the film Nanda in Nila, and the lyric is by Sri Padani Swami and music is by Sri V. Dakshinamurti Swami. Nanda ఎన్నిలా நந்தானியின் நிலா நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பது சுகமே நாணம் ஏனோ விழி மீனாடும் விழி மொழி தேனாடும் மொழி குழல் பூவாடும் குழல் எழில் நீயாடும் எழில் மின்னி வரும் சிலையே மோகன கலையே வண்ண வண்ண ஒளியே வானவரமுதே ஆசை நெஞ்சின் தெய்வம் நீயே ஆடி நிற்கும் தீபம் நீயே பேசுகின்ற வீணை நீயே கனிதழமுதினை வழங்கிட அருகில் வா நந்தானியின் நிலா நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பது சுகமே நாணம் ஏனோ வா ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி ஆழியையாக வந்தவள் நீயே ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி சரியில்லை சரணம் அப்புறம் திரும்ப பாடுறேன் ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி ஆழிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே ஆழிழை ஆழிழை ஆர் ஆழிழை ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி ஆழிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி ஆழிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே அகத்தியன் போற்றும் அருந்தமிழ் நீயே அருந்ததி போலே பிறந்து வந்தாயே நந்தானியின் நிலா நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பது சுகமே நாணம் ஏனோ வா very tough song. If I have not done up to your expectation, please forgive me. Next request is by Sri Pritish Rathod ji for a Hindi song from the film 100 Days, lyric by Sri Dilip Tahir and music composition is by Ram Lakshman ji. Rathod Sahab, thanks for your contribution. This originally was sung by me and Lata ji. सुन बेलिया शुक्रिया मेहरबानी तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जवानी सुन बेलिया शुक्रिया मेहरबानी तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जवानी अरे सुन मैया शुक्रिया मेहरबानी तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जवानी हो तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जवानी शाम सवेरे मेरे होठों पे है तेरा ही तराना मैं हूँ दीवानी मेरा दिल भी है तेरा ही दीवाना शाम सवेरे मेरे होठों पे है तेरा ही तराना मैं हूँ दीवानी मेरा दिल भी है तेरा ही दीवाना जो किसी ने दी नहीं हो दे मुझे वो निशानी
जो किसी ने दी नहीं हो, दे मुझे वो निशानी। सुन बेलिया शुक्रिया मेहरबानी, ओ तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जीवानी, कर दूं सारी जवानी है। तू कहे तो नाम तेरे कर दूं सारी जवानी। सुन बेलिया सुन माइया, अरे सुन बेलिया सुन माइया।
Next request is for a Kannada song from the film Jana, music and lyrics by Sri Hamsalekha. The request came from Dr. Kumaresh. Namaskara Ri, thank you very much for your contribution.
ಪ್ರೇಮಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತವೇ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಎದೆಯ ತುಂಬಿದೆ? ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಮಲಗೋ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಉಸಿರೇ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಚಂದನದ ಕಂಪು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ, ಪ್ರೇಮಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತವೇ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಎದೆಯ ತುಂಬಿದೆ? ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಮಲಗೋ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಉಸಿರೇ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಚಂದನದ ಕಂಪು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕವಿಗಳ ಕವನದ ಕಿವಿಗಳ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಕವಿಗಳ ಕವನದ ಕಿವಿಗಳ, ಜೇನಿನ ಪದಗಳ ಹೂಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುವೆ. ಕಮಲ ವಿಮಲ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು, ಹೃದಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾಣಿ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಯೇ ಸೊಗಸು. I'll sing these two lines once again. ಕಮಲ ವಿಮಲ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು, ಹೃದಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾಣಿ ನೈದಿಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಯೇ ಸೊಗಸು. ಪ್ರೇಮಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತವೇ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನು ಎದೆಯ ತುಂಬಿದೆ? ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಮಲಗೋ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿರಲು ಉಸಿರೇ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಚಂದನದ ಕಂಪು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ.
The next choice is by Gogulapati Sharada, lyric written by Sri Dasharathi, a Telugu song from the film Katha Nayika Molla, music director my Guru Sri Kodandapani ji. It's my solo. First time I have sung to the great actor called Sri Gummadi Venkateshwar Rao Garu, and Sharada is his daughter. Amma, thank you for your contribution. God bless you.
మనిషికి మట్టికి బంధమున్నదిరా, మట్టిలో ఎంతెంతో మహిమ ఉన్నదిరా. మట్టిలో ఎంతెంతో మహిమ ఉన్నదిరా.
I forgot to switch on the click track for the tempo, so I sing again.
మనిషికి మట్టికి బంధమున్నదిరా, మట్టిలో ఎంతెంతో మహిమ ఉన్నదిరా. మనిషికి మట్టిలో ఎంతెంతో మహిమ ఉన్నదిరా. మనిషిని బ్రహ్మయ్య మట్టితో చేసెనయ్య, ఆడించుతున్నాడు బొమ్మలాగా. నిజం తెలుసుకు మెలగాలి మనిషిలాగా, నిజం తెలుసుకు మెలగాలి మనిషిలాగా. దేవుని కోవెలలో దివ్యగా, పేదల గంజి నీళ్ళ ముంతగా. దేవుని కోవెలలో దివ్యగా, పేదల గంజి నీళ్ళ ముంతగా. పాలకు దాకగా మధువుకు పాత్రగా, పాలకు దాకగా మధువుకు పాత్రగా. రూపం ఏదైనా మన్నొకటేరా, రూపం ఏదైనా మన్నొకటేరా. రాజులు రైతులని భేదమేలా, జగాన నరులంతా ఒక్కటేరా. ఎందుకు రోషాలు, దేనికి ద్వేషాలు, అంతా ఒకటైతే మంచిదిరా. దేవుని నమ్ముకుని సాగిపోరా. మనిషిని బ్రహ్మయ్య మట్టితో చేసినయ్య, ఆడించుతున్నాడు బొమ్మలాగా. నిజం తెలుసుకు మెలగాలి మనిషిలాగా, నిజం తెలుసుకు మెలగాలి మనిషిలాగా.
The next request is for a Tamil song by Shri Balamuralidhar and Murugan, for a Tamil song from the film Shikaram, and the lyric is by Shri Vairamuthuji and music is by S.P. Balasubramaniam.
வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ, வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ. விண்ணிலே பாதையில்லை உன்னை தொட ஏடில்லை, விண்ணிலே பாதையில்லை உன்னை தொட ஏடில்லை. வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ, வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே. பக்கத்தில் நீயுமில்லை, பார்வையில் ஈரமில்லை, சொந்தத்தில் பாஷையில்லை, சுவாசிக்க ஆசையில்லை. பக்கத்தில் நீயுமில்லை, பார்வையில் ஈரமில்லை, சொந்தத்தில் பாஷையில்லை, சுவாசிக்க ஆசையில்லை. கண்டு வந்து சொல்வதற்கு காற்றுக்கு ஞானமில்லை, நீலத்தை பிரித்து விட்டால் வானத்தில் ஏதுமில்லை. தள்ளி தள்ளி நீ இருந்தால் சொல்லிக்கொள்ள வாழ்க்கை இல்லை. வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ, விண்ணிலே பாதையில்லை உன்னை தொட ஏடில்லை, விண்ணிலே பாதையில்லை உன்னை தொட ஏடில்லை. வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ, வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே.
Namaste to everyone for all your contributions. Please stay home, stay safe. That's very, very important aspect.
So I'll meet you in the next broadcast once again. Sarve Jana Sujana Bhavantu. Sarve Sujana Sukhino Bhavantu. Swasti.